Good morning, students. Myself Gaurav Kumar Sharma, and in today's class, we are going to start our exercise 13 of chapter Lines and Angles. So let's start. The very first question of this exercise is we have to find the complement of some given angles. And the first part of this question is 35 degree. That is, we have to find the complement of 35 degree. So let's suppose that the complement of 35 degree is x. Let's suppose that the complement of 35 degree is x and the angle is 35. Since we know that the sum of the measures of complementary angle is always 90 degree, that is why the sum of angle 35 and its complementary angle x will be 90 degree. So x plus 35 will be 90 degree, and thus we can find out the value of x, which will be 55 degree. Hence, the complement of 35 degree will be 55 degree. Let's move on to the second question. In the second question of this exercise, we have to find now the supplement of some given angles. Supplement of given angles, and the very first part of question number 2 is we have to find the supplement of 80 degree. Again, let's suppose that the supplement of 80 degree is x degree, then the sum of x and 80 will be 180 degree, because we know that the sum of the measures of supplementary angles is always 180 degree. Now the value of x will be, we will take this 80 to the RHS and the sign of 80 will change. This positive sign will become negative sign, and thus we will get our answer as 100 degree. That is, the supplement of 80 degree will be 100 degree. Now let's move on to the question number 3. Question number 3 is, among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller, and we have to find the measurement of both the angles. The student, in this question, we have to find the measurement of two supplementary angles in which the larger one is 36 degree more than the smaller one. Students, in such word problems where we have the term like more than or less than, we always try to consider the quantity or the term which comes after more than. You can see here, after more than, we have the quantity, the measure of the smaller, that is the smaller angle. So we should consider first the smaller angle. So we'll take here smaller angle as any variable like x. So we will write our solution like this. Let the smaller angle is equals to x degree. Then according to the question, larger angle will be, because larger angle is 36 more. What is the meaning of 36 more? That is, more means plus. 36 more means plus 36. 36 more by the smaller angle. So smaller angle was x. That is why our larger angle will be x plus 36. Now because both the angles are supplementary, that is why their sum will be 180. So now the sum of these angles will be x plus 36. Because both are supplementary for each other, that is why their sum will be 180. Now x plus x like terms, and we will add them, and we will get 2x, and this 36 will go to the RHS, and the sign of this 36 will change as minus 36. So we will get the value of 2x as 180 minus 36, that is 144. Again, because we have to find the value of x, that is why we will just leave this x here alone and we'll take this 2 to the RHS. Because the relation of 2 in LHS is of multiplication, so when we will move it into RHS, the relation will change as division. That is, the value of x will be 144 divided by 2, that is 72. Now we have the value of x, which is actually considered by us the value of a smaller angle. That is, the smaller angle is equals to 72 degree, and the larger angle, which is x plus 36, will be 72 plus 36, that is 108 degree. Now we can also verify our answer by adding these two values, 108 plus 72, and we will get here 180, which proves that both the angles are supplementary for each other. Now let's move on to the question number 7. In this question, what we have given, as you can see in this figure, a straight line AOB is given, and on this straight line, a ray OC stands. And the value of angle AOC is given as 2x minus 10, and the value of angle BOC is given as 3x plus 20. And what we have to find in this question, we have to find what is the value of variable x, and with the help of this variable, we have to find as well the value, that is the measure of angle AOC and angle BOC. Let's try to solve this question. So student, as you can see here, and already it is given in the question, that AOB is a straight line and OC is a ray which is standing on this straight line. So by the definition of linear pair, we know that the sum of the angles of linear pair is always 180 degree. And what is linear pair? Linear pair is the pair of angles which lie on a straight line with the help of a ray. As you can see here, a straight line AOB is given, a ray OC stands on it. So in this particular case, this pair of adjacent angle will be a linear pair, and the sum of the measure of these angles will be 180 degree. That is why we can write here 2x minus 10 plus 3x minus 20 is equals to 180 degree, and the reason for it, linear pair. Now 2x plus 3x are the like terms, so we will add them and we will get 5x plus 20 and minus 10 will be plus 10, and it will become 180. Now 5x, we will take this 10 to RHS and it will become minus 10, and thus we will get 5x is equals to 170 degree. And now we will transfer this 5 to RHS and it will become 170 divided by 5, and thus we will get the value of 5, that is 34 degree. The value of x will be 34 degree. Now with the help of this value, we will find out the values, that is the measure of angle AOC and angle BOC. What is the measure? What is the value we have given in the question of angle AOC? AOC is equals to 2x minus 10. We have to just put the value of x here, that is 2 into 34 minus 10, and we will get the measurement, that is measure of angle AOC, 68 minus 10, that is 58 degree. This is the measure of angle AOC, and other angle is BOC, angle BOC. The value which are given in the question of angle BOC is 3x plus 20. Angle BOC, we will put the value of x here again. The value of x is 34, and it will become 102 plus 20, that is 122 degree. That is angle BOC is equals to 122 degree. Now it's time to verify that our answer are correct or not. So because angle AOC and angle BOC both are linear pair, so the sum of these angles must be 180 degree. So let's check it, their sum is 180 or not. The value of angle AOC is 58 and the value of angle BOC is 122, and their sum is also 180 degree. It means that our answer is correct. So this is how we have find out the value of angle AOC, angle BOC, and the value of variable x.